and we will check if it is any blockage. We can understand here. Yes dear, no any blockage. You can see here. Yes dear, no any blockage. Yeah, it's okay. This is the way how to fix. Actually, if you are fixing a dryer filter, don't fix here. First, discharge line. You have to fix discharge and suction. After fixing dryer filter, you have to fix suction line, because if it is unfortunately it's getting blocked here, your welding it will get blocked. At the same time, you have to do the double work. Because of that, very careful you have to do this job. Now at the moment, no any blockage, you can see here. Now dear friends, I have to remove this charging valve. Now it's okay. Now I can fix here discharge line, suction line. Now it's okay dear. Now I have to vacuum. I'm using my vacuum pump now. I'm using before I used the high pressure side. Now I'm using low pressure side. I have to fix this one charging valve. Now it's okay. This one I'm fixing vacuum pump. Now I'm using here, this is vacuum, this is common. This one I'm fixing for the charging line. I have to open both. Now I have to close this side. This both I have to close. Now it's okay. Now I will start the vacuum pump here. Now you can see here it is coming minus. After that I have to refill the gas. That's mean I have to measure. I will show you the gas here. According to the specification, it should be 66 gram only. I will show you that. You can see here dear friends, is CKBC 3150 EUK. Gas you can see here. Here only 66 gram only. After that, that is according to the specification only. We have to refill the gas. Otherwise, we don't know how much, because especially butane 600A. Now dear friends, Now enough vacuum, actually you can see here it came minus. Now almost 20 minutes. I will off my vacuum pump. Also you can see here this one 600a. The cylinder weight is 6 kilo and 400 gram, 6 kilo and 40 grams. Now I have to fill only 66 gram. I will fix here this. Now it's okay, dear. Now I will do here 0. You can see here I make 0. Now I have to purge here. I will open the gas. I will open here a little bit because now it's okay, dear. Now I will give the gas. Now, dear friends, I will start the unit. Compressor already got start. Compressor already start. Also condenser is warming. It's getting heat. Yes, dear friends, you can see here it is 66. Actually it is almost 3 grams, 4 grams already is gone high. Now anyway, now I refill the gas. You can see no need to deduct, no need to release gas, enough. Actually the condenser, everything is perfect. You can see here it's showing it's minus only. It's not showing plus also through my manifold gauge. Now it's warming actually condenser very nicely. Also compressor working. Condenser also is warming. Yes, my dear. Now we can check here. Yes, dear, you can see here now it's flooding all. You can see here it's forming ice. Now until here it came. You can see here before it's not coming, only before here only 2 pipe only. Now you can see here it's coming very nicely. Now after forming here also I will close the charging valve. After that I can finish my job. If it is like this, it's not making cool, you have to system clean, flushing. After that you have to refill the gas. Now the as same I did it. Now it's okay. You can see here before not like that. Also there is some cooling here also. I'm keeping my water bottle here. Now dear friends, you can see here, it should be like that. You can see here all the pipes already now it's became ice here. You can see here, before it's not like that, only two pipe only on the top evaporator pipe, two line only is getting freeze, other all is not getting freeze. Now it's okay. I will show you the refrigerator side also. You can see here is very good cool actually. You can see it's very good cool. Now you can see dear friends, here my manifold gauge, here it is came actually up to 0. That's mean gas pressure everything's perfect. I fill up only the 66 almost 70 grams only, it's not more than that. If it is more gas it will come, here is form ice. Now it's nothing. Because of that now I can finish my job. I have to pinch charging valve. Now I can release here. Also I'm going to cut. Yes, dear, now it's okay. Yes dear, it's okay now. Now I can remove pinching plier also. I will keep here also a little bit, because unfortunately it will get touched somewhere, it will get break because of that. Yes dear, now it's okay. Now dear friends, I have to install here drawers, also this one. Yes dear, it should be like that. Now my job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.